good evening. Welcome to Gale News. I'm Ed.
And I'm Owen. Today is Wednesday, February 19th.
Today, the Navy was on campus to meet with any interested student.
And tomorrow, we are beginning our course selection process for the 2025 to 2026 school year. Next year, we will be offering even more early college experience courses and much more.
Now, here's this week's Wisdom Wednesday.
Hello and welcome back to Hillspiration for Wisdom Wednesday. All right, Mr. Hill, what's our quote today?
Know what sparks the light in you, then use the light to illuminate the world. Oprah Winfrey.
Nice one. Thank you, Mr. Hill.
Have a great day.
Coming up on campus, we also have our Dodging Heart Disease Dodgeball Tournament sponsored by the PE Department. Any student or staff interested can see the PE Department.
Don't forget to save the date for this year's spring musical, Mamma Mia, on April 3rd, 4th, and 5th. Tickets will be on sale at the end of March.
That's all from us here at Gale News, and
Thank
have
you,
a
and have a
yes.
Gale day.